Hi, my name is Whitley Herring, and this is my project on the issues of body image in the dance industry. For overview of the issue, body image is currently one of the greatest issues in the dance industry. And ballerinas are often given the stereotype of being super thin. As you can see on the picture on the right, that's how people often depict ballerinas, which isn't always the case. Because not everybody can achieve this standard of being super skinny while also being super healthy because it's not their body type. A study was conducted, and even girls who were already skinny still suffer with negative body image. And many dancers, sadly, are still being discriminated against for their body type and are losing opportunities because of it. For attempted solutions, I listed two, which are spreading awareness and Love Your Body Week. Well-known women dancers are spreading the word to help others with their body image by using their platform to tell about their personal experiences with body image. It is a helpful solution, but it's still not highly successful. Love Your Body Week is conducted in several dance studios annually, and it shares the message of body positivity to all the students. It helps the students regain their self-confidence and positive body image. It's helpful, but it's only available to the people in those studios, so it can't reach that many. For my proposal, I would implement a non-discriminatory agreement to all the major dance schools. To the left, you can see Juilliard, which is in New York, and it's a very well-known dance school, which would be one of the ones that would implement this agreement. The agreement would allow for no discrimination against race, religion, culture, or body type, and etc. It would allow for more diversity and a less toxic dance environment, because if the dancers are in a more comfortable surroundings, it would allow them to grow and better themselves and not have to worry about being judged by other people. The components for the agreement would be that first it would need to be written and established, and it would need to contain all the details for the agreement. Next, it would need to be reviewed by a lawyer so that it could make sure it was lawful and so that you could actually present it to the schools. Next, you would present the idea to the schools. I'm sure there's a more efficient way than doing each school individually, but that could be a way to get started. If it was approved, it would then be enforced into all the schools so that nobody could discriminate against one another without facing consequences. For feasibility, the lawyer would rack up most of the costs for the project, and average cost for reviewing a contract by a lawyer is $300 to $1,000. And the rest of the project just requires time and effort. However, a fund to cover the cost for the lawyer could be started, and people who share interest in the issue could contribute money to the fund. And a website that actually you can open a fund would be GoFundMe.org, and that's a very easy way to collect money for an issue. For a call to action, reminder that this is a huge issue in the dance world right now, and many people have been rejected because of their body and not because of their skill. And because of that, they can't follow their dreams even after training their whole life and spending so long practicing for this career. Instead of just spreading awareness, we need to take action, because this agreement could help so many dancers accomplish their goal of becoming professional. And it's time to seek a change, because action speaks so much louder than just words, and it's time to seek change. Lastly, these are my references for all the pictures and websites. Thank you for listening. I hope you learned something and maybe interest you in this issue. Have a nice day.